Most people think they need a massive savings account to start investing in real estate, but your current home might actually be the ultimate funding source. If your home in Virginia has increased in value over the last few years, you are likely sitting on a significant amount of untapped equity. You can use a cash-out refinance or a home equity line of credit to pull that money out and use it as a down payment for a rental property. This strategy allows you to build a real estate portfolio using the bank's money while your tenants help pay off the new mortgage every month. Leveraging the equity in your primary residence is one of the fastest ways to accelerate your net worth and create passive income for your family. However, it is critical to run the numbers correctly to ensure that the rental income covers the new debt and leaves you with a healthy cash flow. As your mortgage maestro, I specialize in helping homeowners transition into investors by finding the most efficient way to access and deploy their equity. If you are ready to turn your home into a wealth-building machine, call me Dwayne Buziak at Coast to Coast Mortgage Lending, and let's build a plan.